Hey guys, what's up? Dreams, join me. Atlanta Realty Professional, hey, what's up? Give you guys a few waves here. It's good. Good, how you guys doing? Got Facebook Live going on up there, IG Live going on here. Just want to talk real quick for our 2-minute meetup on today. I want to talk about realtors as a wholesaler, and I'm not talking about coming from a perspective of you being a realtor and wholesaler, which that can be done as also, but realtors always get a bad rap when it comes to wholesalers, and wholesalers always get a bad rap when it comes to realtors, vice versa. But when you learn how to work symbiotic with the realtor, you'll definitely be able to get deals moved pretty quickly. So whenever we're going into a new market, what we do is we reach out to a lot of realtors, especially in the area where we're shopping for deals. We reach out with a lot of realtors because those realtors are going to have cash buyers that's going to move those deals for us. So right now we have quite a few realtors that's on our team that work with us to move deals. So I just want to let you guys know that when you're looking to go into a new market or you're looking to get started, you know, it's not a bad idea to reach out to realtors so you can move your deals. Again, this is their profession. Their profession is to move property or to get listing agreements. So one or two things can happen is they will be able to sell your deals to a cash buyer. They'll be able to bring a cash buyer to the table, and let's talk about that scenario. So first you get the property under contract. You shoot that property to your realtor, and let's just say you want to sell the property for $100,000. You let that realtor know that that $100,000 is net to the seller. Not that they get a commission off of that $100,000. Let's be clear. We don't want them to get the idea that they get a commission off of your $100,000. What you can tell them is that that $100,000 is net to the seller. Anything that they make above that can be their referral fee. So I was talking with the realtor on today, and she was still trying to learn and understand the concept. She was like, well, what about it going through the MLS? What about me getting credit for being the buyer's agent and everything like that? So I said, well, what's more important? You getting credit as being a buyer's agent or you being able to make $10,000 on top of the deal? So naturally, she said, her getting the $10,000 on top of the deal. So whenever you're working with realtors, you have to make sure that they understand that the price that you send to them that's on the property is net to the seller. Very important, net to the seller. Anything that they make on top of that can be their referral fee. Hey, Jose. Hey, Kevin, thanks for joining. Hey, Kimberly, thanks for joining. So we're actually about to wrap up real quick. This is our 2-minute meetup for this Tuesday. Is wholesalers working with realtors to bring you cash buyers. It works in every market that I have been in. You build that list, that cash buyer list with realtors. Right now we have about 4,000 realtors that we send our deals to, and any one of those realtors can bring us a cash buyer. Actually, the last 5 or 6 deals have been from realtors that provided the buyer. So just wanted to let you guys know, reach out to your realtors, let them know exactly what you're doing, especially if you have a specific niche market. So let's just say if you're working the east side of Cleveland and you know that there's a realtor that's crushing it with sales on the east side of Cleveland, you need to reach out to that realtor and let them know, hey, you know what, I get off-market deals. Just want to know if you have sellers or buyers that would be interested in buying deals. If so, I can bring those to you first. So you give them the opportunity to see if they have a buyer first. This way, they will want to work with you. Hey, Louise, how you doing? You know, that way they'll know that they can work with you. So that's one of the reasons, and that's one of the most important things about working, having a great relationship with realtors in your market when you're trying to wholesale. They can move your deals. And not only that, part two, that was part one. Part two is if you can't sell that deal, let's just say because it's your first deal, mistakenly you got the property under contract too high, you can refer that seller over to that realtor, and then you can receive a referral fee. So always remember, realtors have a long reach. They have a long span when it comes to the real estate profession, and they can definitely help you out, guys. So it's Marcus Maloney. This is your 2-minute meetup. Instagram, sorry you guys cut off. I'm here in Phoenix. It got a little hot. So remember, that is your opportunity to work with realtors.